Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Spring 2014 update for the Outlook client. The biggest impact with the Spring 2014 online update and Service Pack 1 for CRM on-premise is going to be the compatibility between the Outlook client and the server depending upon the version that each is on. As we review the server and client compatibility matrix, the client version is noted in the left-hand column and the server versions across the top row. So the Dynamics CRM 2011 clients that are on RTM through Update Rollup 11 are supported only with a 2011 server. Clients that are on CRM 2011 Update Rollup 12 and higher are supported on all versions of CRM 2013 server, including the new Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Spring 2014 update and Service Pack 1 for on-premise. If the client is on CRM 2013, RTM, UR1, UR2, or on the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Spring 2014 or Service Pack 1 for on-premise, those are all supported only with a CRM 2013 server. Your Outlook client version is also going to affect your ability to go offline. The CRM 2011 Update Rollup 12 and higher clients are going to be able to be online, and they will be compatible with the new features available. However, you will not have the ability to go offline. CRM 2013 clients that are on RTM, Update Rollup 1, and Update Rollup 2 will be compatible also with the new features available. They will also allow you to go offline, but it's compatible only without the new features being available. A snapshot is taken when your online organization has been upgraded to Online Spring 2014, or if your on-premise server has been upgraded to Service Pack 1. That snapshot is going to be the status of the forms, saved query views, and your sitemap before the update and the new features. We will talk about that more shortly. The Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Spring 2014 release, as well as Service Pack 1 for on-premise, will be compatible online and offline with all of the new features available. When upgrading to this update, you must be on the CRM 2013 Outlook client. If you are on a 2011 client currently, you'll first need to upgrade to the 2013 client and then apply the update. Once you have the CRM 2013 client installed, there is no minimum update rollup required. You can be on RTM, Update Rollup 1, or Update Rollup 2 in order to apply this service pack. The Outlook client will then need to sync the new schema and the data. As noted in the lower left screenshots, you'll first get a message warning you that it's going to need to disable that organization, and it will take some time to propagate those customizations. Then you'll get another message once it has completed. Click OK and cancel out of that window. On the right-hand side is what it will look like when you go offline, if you have an offline client. Note at the bottom there, it's telling you that it's propagating those customizations. As I had mentioned earlier, there are snapshots that are created when either your online organization is upgraded to the Spring 2014 update, or your on-premise server has Service Pack 1 applied. These snapshots are used when your client goes offline. So while online, any Outlook client that is on UR2 or lower will display the new form version with the new features. But when offline, it will display the snapshot of the old forms. Additional customizations that you add after that server is upgraded will also not be available when that Outlook client is offline. This would include sitemap changes, as well as new entities, new fields, and then the system views. Within the saved query base, system form base, and sitemap base, there is a new component state column added. Those that have a value of 4 are the snapshots from prior to the upgrade. Additionally, there is a new solution that is added for the snapshots. So with the unique name of Orion Snapshot Solution and the friendly name of Leo Snapshot Solution. That solution ID will be tied to any of the snapshots in the Save Query base, the System Form base, or the Sitemap base. The solution, however, is not visible through the UI. So let's take a look at an Outlook client that is currently on RTM and not on the update. The server, however, does have the Service Pack 1 applied. If we open up an account record, we can see even though we're calling it from within the Outlook client, there is the active entitlements, which is one of the new features available on the form. So if we close out of the form, now let's take the client offline. So here's where you can see it saying that it's propagating the customizations as we had in the screenshot. Now that our data is offline, let's open up the same record. You can now see that it's pulled down the old version of the form, so there is no longer an entitlements area on this right-hand side. Once I'm back online, it will then retrieve it from the server and bring back the active entitlements. Once we upgrade this client to the CRM Online 2014 update or Service Pack 1 for on-premise, then those new features will also be available in offline mode.